Hey guys, Fall Creek Prepper here. Yesterday I showed you the Galloway Precision guide rod for the Taurus PT111. So today, thought I would show you how to put it in. It's a stainless steel guide rod. It'll replace the partial polymer guide rod that's in there, where part of it is made of a metal, I guess just steel, and the other part of it is made of a plastic material. So first things first, clear. And okay, then we will remove the guide rod, and you'll notice here that the guide rod assembly is this part is metal, and it's got the two springs. And notice that this reddish substance here, it's a paint that's on the spring. It's to they paint the springs different colors to tell what weight each spring is. It's not a rust or anything. I've seen several people say that theirs had rust on it, and when they show the picture of it, it's just this reddish colored paint that's on the thing here. This one is in fairly good condition. I mean, I've put several hundred rounds through the gun, but not an excessive amount or anything. It's still in pretty good condition, but we're going to change it out nonetheless. So in order to do that, we put the new one in. You put the one end is flat and has the smaller spring on it. The other end is larger and has the larger spring on it. You put it in with the larger end up here, and if I was actually looking at it and not looking through my camera, it might be a little easier. And then you put it in place and just put it back together, just like this, and there you go, and it's good to go. And cycle it a few times. There you go. Good as new. Stay tuned for more. Fall Creek Prepper. I'm out.